Very good evening. Today I'm so much happy and in a gleeful mood. Once again to all of you from MFI, The Elements of Success. This is our 10th video presentation in this particular channel, and today's topic of discussion and the lecture sessions is communication skills. You might all be thinking over here that it is very easy. We all are knowing, we all do understand what is communication skills, what is to learn about, what is to know much about from you. Yes, I do admit. But there is a term like generation gap, communication gap. I know people living together for the last 25 to 30 years, but still they don't know how to communicate. They are not communicating at all. They have a communication gap. We all do have communication gap. So this is a subject specialized area of ours in the mind training and confidence building program. We should know the art of communication skills. Everyone cannot communicate. Sorry to say you all, but it's the fact of life. I have seen people talking on phone for nearly half an hour, and the other person at the other end of the telephone is asking, "What did you say, please?" 30 minutes have gone west. So this is communication all about, the skills to communicate with each other. Be with friends, be with professionals, with colleagues, with whatever, whomever you are. We don't know what we said or uttered is really communicated to the other person or not. We just said blah 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 blah. We are talking, we are interacting, we are communicating, but the skills we don't know. To reach to the other person, the message conveying, what I mean is that conveying the proper message at the proper nick of time. That is communication skills, and this also we should learn. Who should learn? The person who wants to make a career tomorrow. In any form, in any fraternity, in any discipline, you may be all are, because all are different, I can see. Different age group, different disciplines, different specialized areas, subjects. But communication skill is such a thing, everyone needs it. If you run a business, if you open an office, if you have a staff of your own, if you want to do anything tomorrow, be your principal, be your college dean, be your professors, be your lecturers, be your teachers, be your trainers, everyone is training, teaching, doing something or other to communicate. Today is a world of IT, online presentations, PowerPoint presentations, offline one-to-one, what I'm doing over here, and also online what I'm doing for the shooting of this channel in this particular method of delivering myself. I am communicating with you. If I don't have the skills, it will not be here in our class. The skills are to be learned, taught, trained, inculcated and cultivated. It's not a one-day show. It cannot be completed within 2 months course. Many people come and ask me, how long is the course? It's an internal process. From 4.5 years to 5 years to today, whatever my age may, I am every day communicating. So today I have learned the mastery. Today I have the command. Today I have the authority of what is to be taught and delivered in front of you. To the world, it's global. Online is global. North, south, east, west, 360 degrees. What are the skills? Specific skills to communicate. When I communicate to you, I should know that all of you are these people did understand what I said. Is my message really conveyed to you? Could you understand today what I'm talking about? Then only I'm successful in communication. Communication cannot be just talking. You can talk endless hours, but that will be effortless. It should be effortless, and that becomes with effortful. You are taking strong power to believe. I said, my friend, he could not understand. I said to my uncle, auntie who came from US, what I am studying, you know the syllabus, the programs, the project, he or she could not understand. That means what? It is not an effortless way. You could not communicate to your uncle or auntie. You could not convey the message. Either you were abrupt, or you were unclear, or you were ignorant of the fact, or you don't know the skills to talk, skills to convey what will you say. So that is communication skills all about. In today's world, whatever you do, I think, and I know I'm justifiable to my statement, I know that, without communication skills, you can't stand anywhere. If we keep a servant in our house, especially in urban cities like Mumbai, we see the communication skills, the power, whether he and she can talk, can go to the groceries, can go to the supermarket, go to the post office, go to the service providers or whatever. Is the person able to talk, able to understand each other, able to communicate? We just see the basic criteria of keeping a domestic assistant in our place, in our residence. So everyone needs communication skills. It is skills because it is an art. Someone tells very few words, but it's been communicated. Someone tells for long hours. I say you, 10, 15, 20 hours living together, the people don't know each other in the family, what he likes or she likes, what are the favorites, what are the odds, what are the negatives, what are the positives, choices they don't know. That means they're living together, they're staying under a roof, but they could not communicate with each other even after these long years of being together. That means the skills are not there. They're just talking blah 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 blah. They're doing everything. But when we ask, do you know the color choice of your uncle? Do you know what your cousin brother's dream destination is? They said me, no ma'am, we don't know. No Swati, we don't know. Why? But you are family members. That means the skill is not there or was not there. So today I have to sign up because it is just a video presentation. But this is one of the elements of success. One of the most significant elements of success from MFI and Elements of Success. So thanking you all over once again. I am overwhelmed and joyful and gleeful and so much positive with lots of affirmative notes and vibes in myself. We are thankful, we are highly indebted rather, highly indebted to you all that you understood that it is really needed. Today you were sitting here, you were listening to me, you were taking up notes and listening and appreciating and accepting my deliverance and my lectures. It's a rapport building, it's just not a class. It's a rapport building human session. But part of my bit of knowledge, I want to share it with you. Communication skills. Thanking you so much. Many faces I see repeating once over again. Many age groups, young and even the more 60s, mid-60s I can see. So to all of you, my respect and regards from MFI and the Elements of Success for joining us and for being together with us here. Thanking you once again. Thanking you so much.